Chapter 1, Introduction to Minitab. Download and open the textbook dataset, Minitab, worksheet, or project file located in Course Resources, datasets used in the course. I suggest that you save this file to your computer. When you first open the file, you'll see the window below. The Minitab commands are located across the top of the screen. The data is located in columns, each titled CXX, with the name below to identify the type of data. Numerical data does not have an extension after the name of the top column. For example, in C25, it contains public safety expenditure data. Column C30-T contains text data. In this case, it identifies the region of the state. If we scroll over to the first column, use the scroll bar at the bottom of the screen, we see that the county is in column 1, text, year in C2. The year is numerical, but dates can also be entered as month, month, day, day, year, year, and column CXX would have a -D extension to designate date data. If you select the window option from the toolbar, you can move from window to window and also control how Minitab displays the various windows, cascade, tile, etc. Let's create a bar graph of the data in C30, the region data. We select Graph, Bar Chart. From the next window, we have some choices for the bar graph. We'll use Counts and Simple. Click OK. Now we'll select the column that we want to use. Scroll through the columns to locate C30. Highlight it and then select Click. The variable is added to the Categorical Variables window. Multiple variables can be selected. When we have finished selecting, click OK, and your bar graph will appear each in a separate window. Here's the bar graph of the region of the state. We can cut and paste this bar graph, or we can save it as a file in the project data file. If I click on Window, Project Manager, I will see the output I've created in this session. Let's calculate descriptive statistics for C5 population density. Click on Stat, Basic Stats, Display Descriptive Statistics. Select C5. I can also create graphs using the Graphs option. I'll select a histogram of the data. Once I've finished my selections, click OK. The output goes to the session window. I can see here the number of cases, the number of missing data values, the mean, the standard error, standard deviation, etc. The window session also references the histogram that I created in a separate window. I can save the worksheet to my computer, or I can save the worksheet as a project, which will include all of the output. Choose File, Save Project As, and provide a name and location for the file to be saved. As you work on the Minitab assignment for each chapter, you can save each worksheet. This will help you keep the analyses separate for each chapter. Note, if you save a Minitab worksheet, your analyses if you save as a Minitab worksheet, your analyses graphs will not be saved. If you save it as a Minitab project file, your analyses graphs, etc. will be saved.